Hey there, you lost 2024 again? No worries. It's time to hit refresh. With the right strategies and motivation, you can start making thousands of dollars. Once you watch this entire video, you'll have the perfect categories for your YouTube channel. And trust me, you'll be on your way to earning exactly what you've been dreaming about. So you might be wondering, how do I make money without showing my face? Well, the answer lies in a secret sauce called RPM, revenue per mille. This little trick is the key to unlocking higher earnings on YouTube. Let's get straight to the point. Channels in the USA make 10 times more than others, and here's why. Let's say an advertiser is selling a $100 health supplement. They're targeting high-income audiences who can actually afford to buy. So if their ad runs on a channel with a USA audience, they'll pay a higher rate knowing those viewers are likely to make a purchase. But if the ad shows up on a channel with Indian viewers, the money they're willing to pay drops significantly. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why does this happen? We have more views, more subscribers, but it's all about the RPM and who the advertisers are targeting. So if you're ready to dive into this game, it's all about strategy, timing, and quality content. Now, let's talk about the strategies. We're talking about faceless YouTube channels that can rake in big money without even showing your face. Sounds good, right? Here's the deal. There are 5 high RPM niches that could change the game for you. Let's break them down. Number 1, health and fitness. Health is an evergreen topic, but here's the twist. If you target USA audiences, your RPM can soar as high as $15 per 1,000 views. That's like multiplying what you'd earn from other countries' audiences. How? It's all about focusing on lifestyle, fitness, and the right audience. People are willing to pay for health supplements, fitness equipment, and fitness apps. All these products generate affiliate income. Plus, you can even sell ebooks on fitness or create sponsorship deals. And don't worry about showing your face. Use AI tools to create simple, engaging videos. For instance, an animated video about morning yoga for busy professionals. Simple animations, AI voiceovers, and you're good to go. Number 2, AI updates channel. AI is booming. This niche doesn't need any introduction. In the past year, AI has exploded, and it's only getting bigger. The best part, AI-related channels are a gold mine in the long run. You can make up to $30 per 1,000 views. That's huge. All you need to do is stay updated with the latest AI trends like AI tools, updates, and news. Create videos on things like the best free AI voice generators or ChatGPT alternatives. The options are endless. And the best part, these topics are trending and people are curious, which means they'll click and watch. Number 3, finance and investment. Who doesn't want to learn how to make more money, right? Especially when it comes to investing and saving. In the USA, finance channels can make anywhere from $20 to $30 per 1,000 views. You can create content like how to save $100 before turning 30 or smart investments for millennials. Make it relatable and inspiring with case studies like how a student saved $500 using AI apps. Not only can you make ad revenue, but affiliate links, selling courses, and even merchandise can all boost your earnings. Number 4, make money online channel. Now here's a niche that will never go out of style, making money online. Whether it's freelancing or passive income streams, people are always looking for ways to make extra cash from home. To make your content stand out, focus on results-driven videos. Show how people can actually earn, not just talk about theory. Best AI tools for freelancers is a great topic that can easily engage USA audiences. Add a clear call to action in every video. Build a community where people come for real, actionable tips, and you'll retain viewers long-term. The money will follow through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Number 5, philosophy channel. Yes, you heard that right, philosophy. While it might sound surprising, philosophical content is a hidden gem. People in the USA are deeply invested in self-improvement and philosophical insights. If you target them correctly, you could make anywhere from $15 to $20 per 1,000 views. Create engaging videos that inspire, like how stoicism can improve your life or philosophy for personal growth. Use storytelling to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Trust me, people love content that makes them think, and when they do, they'll keep coming back for more. There you have it, 5 high RPM niches that could transform your YouTube journey. With the right strategy, content, and timing, streaming, you can create a channel that brings in serious revenue without showing your face. And if you're ready to dive deeper into any of these niches, let me know in the comments. I'll make sure to share more tips, tools, and content strategies that will help you build the channel of your dreams. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified when I drop new content. Stay motivated, stay focused, and let's make 2024 your best year yet.